All right, welcome back, everyone. We're going live here. This is the Patrick channel, and I'm going to talk to you guys about some news going on right now. So, if you guys don't know, just so you, there is 20,000 Coinstar kiosks all across the world. 90% of the population lives within 5 miles of one. Coinstar processes 43 billion coins. Why does this matter? Because right now, the supermarket kiosk Coinstar has added CoinMe Bitcoin ATM functionality to 5,000 change sorting machines. And it's saying right here, the service is now available in nearly 25% of Coinstar's total fleet. So 5,000, 25%, times 4, that's 20. So that means that, that means 25% of all these kiosks out there now have the Bitcoin functionality. And when you guys go to the gas station, you see that little ad playing at the TVs there. They're saying, oh, we now offer Bitcoin ATMs in the store. It's like a pretty good sign, because it's basically showing that Bitcoin's becoming accepted more and more all over the place. Will that help the price go up? I don't know, but I mean, it's definitely some cool things to look at. It's saying right here that there is a Coinstar kiosk located within 5 miles of 90% of the population. So collectively, the opportunity here is to be able to give the majority of the U.S. population access to digital currencies. That is the major takeaway, guys, right here. Majority of U.S. population gets access to the currencies. We're all looking for like a way that price is going to go up, and this is just some really favorable news, and it could help push it a lot more. So over the last year, particularly, CoinMe has added, in many cases, locals. They admitted, and they added in Hawaii. They added in Las Vegas. I've seen a bunch of them. They're saying it's popped up in Georgia. Yeah, look, Nevada, like I was just saying, New Mexico, Ohio, Oregon, Maryland, West Virginia, Delaware, Rhode Island, all these different areas. So this is definitely big for the crypto community. If you guys are paying attention to this is another good favorable news that hopefully will make Bitcoin go higher. If you look right here, this is another piece of news that's going on today. This is Monday, December 14th. I'm trying to give you guys a little longer videos out there so you can stick with me and know what's kind of going on with the full amount of news. So I'm not going to try to just do one article. But it says Bitcoin climbed over the weekend to this 19,200 territory. And basically, if you look right here, the price reversed course this weekend from a downward slide to an upward trend that began Saturday. This weekend, Bitcoin demonstrated a V-shape reversal after the appearance of such a figure that the growth continues. So it's just saying that growth is continuing right now. Let's see what the takeaway is right here. I know I saw it earlier. We are still seeing the market challenging the all-time high, but there's not a lot of conviction behind it. This can be seen with lower volumes. So it's just saying there's lower volumes. Let's see. There's just a lot of volatility going on, guys. There's another article I wanted to show you. If I can pop it up right now. Let me find it. Okay, here's the big one. So, MassMutual Bitcoin may buy $600 billion worth of institutional money flowing in from JP Morgan flowing into Bitcoin. This could be huge for the offset of, if you look right here, it represents another milestone of Bitcoin adoption by institutional investors. MassMutual Bitcoin's purchase would do this. They're saying that basically one can see the potential in the demand over the coming years as insurance companies and pension funds follow MassMutual's example. On Thursday, the 169-year-old insurance firm announced the Bitcoin purchases worth of $100 million, as well as $5 million in equity in the NYDIG. The financial service firm focused on Bitcoin with $2.3 billion in assets under their management. So they have a lot of money going through there. They're saying that according to JP Morgan, Bitcoin may find the additional demand of $600 billion if the pension insurance firms in the U.S., Union, UK, and Japan allocate 1% of the assets to the top cryptocurrency. So only 1% of the assets will make $600 billion come from institutional money come in to Bitcoin. So that could push us up to some more crazy all-time high of $50,000 Bitcoin. Not in the realm of we could hit $100,000 Bitcoin, but it's going to come from these institutional market pushes. And then let's see what else is in the news right here. I know there was some other stuff that was kind of important. We'll do a little look through here. What do we got? Google and perils of centralization, mergers, position. There was one other thing. I think it was on a different site. Let me find it. Yeah, I hope you guys are all doing well out there today too. You know, it's been a crazy weekend here. I'm over here in Las Vegas, just enjoying the weather. It's actually been sunny out. Did a little hiking today, so I'm feeling good. The senator wants to spread Bitcoin awareness in the U.S. government. All right, this is another favorable article right here. An unprecedented year for 2020 has sent global economy into a tailspin effort to compensate for COVID-19 related difficulties. If the traditional system collapses, Bitcoin will become a vital source of income, according to the United States. If we reach this point where we have overspent so much things that all the market starts crossing down, is what they're basically saying, is that in regards to any fiat currency, which they're kind of doing with the economic stimulus and stuff right now, whether it's ours or yours or China's or Japan's, there is a backstop available into every government in the world. The backstop is Bitcoin. The Bitcoin is going to help the downturns of the economy. So that's big news right there. And it's saying the government actions and media coverage around COVID-19 spiked in March, resulting in business closures and all the problems that we've seen in terms of the economic stimulus and the health mandates. So everyone's hailing cryptos. There's Wyoming's being crypto friendly, it's saying right here. There's a lot of Bitcoin awareness under U.S. authorities. They really want to use my time. One of this guy in the Senate saying they want to use their time to help introduce the topic of Bitcoin. Increasing the understanding in the Senate about Bitcoin, what it is, what it does, how it can assist, can grow and develop, and basically work alongside our fiat currency. This should be a clear path, an avenue, they're saying here. In contrast, Bitcoin and its consistency supply, the U.S. dollar framework, inherently includes inflation, making devaluation inevitable. They're saying a lot of people I buy and I hold, I never sold. That's a big thing because a lot of people are trying to make a lot of money. You know, when I entered Congress in January 2009, we had just turned over 10 trillion from 9 trillion in debt. From 10 trillion, we just went over 10 trillion from 9 trillion in debt. So they just keep adding more and more debt. Everyone's going to be looking for Bitcoin and other crypto alternatives to try to make it better. So in addition to the debt, the U.S. needs an alternative path just in case we fail, and they see Bitcoin as this path. That's what this guy's saying right here. Which one is he? What's his name? Let's find him. The U.S. Senator-elect Cynthia Luminous. So that's good information right there. It's some more favorable news. I'm trying to show you guys just all kinds of things that are going on here. Let's see what else is going on. Bitcoin never gets hacked. Crypto players respond to U.S. Treasury. For Bitcoin metrics, why investors are buying on the Bitcoin dip. Okay, let's check this out. As a Bitcoin tested at 17,580, Bitcoin remained calm despite analysts' estimates. And so whenever Bitcoin drops considerably, they're saying that some bearish analysis popping up in a way sway investors' decisions of retail investors, professional traders, and buyers. They avoid the FUD and excessive pessimism that is a result of negative price swings. And so Bitcoin outperformed the top 15 altcoins, which dropped 2.5% over the week. You can say, on the other hand, you can see right here how Bitcoin did a little bit better. We got 0.07. The market cap is 454 billion. Still a big ass market cap. All right. And then let's find some more news. Crypto fund manager Grayscale Investment continued to aggressively add Bitcoin to their portfolio, surpassing 10.7 billion worth. Over the past week, 14,050 Bitcoin were added, totaling 561,130 Bitcoin. Therefore, it was another excellent week for Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. So there's a lot of more trust and more Bitcoin being added. So that's just going to help more push the news up favorably. As Bitcoin price approaches 20,000, it's only natural for investors to seek downward protection. As a result, the put to call ratio speak to 0.70. A bit the increases, it was favoring more bullish call for 30%. So some people sell out. As Bitcoin holds to 19,000, investors are regaining confidence as the price bounce back to every dip. At this moment, every indicator remains neutral to bullish, thus supporting potential new all-time highs for Bitcoin. So look at that. More all-time highs being supported for Bitcoin, from neutral to bullish. And they're saying right here, the views expressed here are solely that of the author. They don't reflect Cointelegraph, but that's just some news happening. Let's see what else we got here. Binance introducing farming, Chili, and Jokin coins. PayPal stock surged 17% since enabling Bitcoin purchases. That's pretty big. And then it's crypto users split on taking out loans to buy Bitcoin dips. All right, so check this out. PayPal stock has surged 17%, enabling Bitcoin purchases. The online payment platform launched crypto trading for U.S. customers on November 12th. PayPal stock reached record highs on Monday, capping off strong period of outperformance of outperforming NASDAQ and the broader U.S. stock market. That's really good news, guys. I mean, the more they outperforms them, the more we're going to see a lot more people in. And, we just saw Coinstar adding stuff. We saw institutional money coming in. There's just a lot of favorable news happening. Although PayPal CEO's foray crypto is the only catalyst behind the vast outperformance. The merchant processor, as well as position capitalize on the growing adoption of digital assets. Some analysts have speculated that the higher Bitcoin price could have a positive effect on PayPal's prospects. There is evidence that the payment processor may be positively influencing Bitcoin's price. Relative industry data suggests that PayPal may have scooped up as much as 70% of the newly mined Bitcoin in the weeks leading up to the crypto platform going live. The estimates vary. A 2019 study said 5,000 people claim that 6.2% of Americans above the age of 18 own Bitcoin. The survey is an additional 7.3% are planning to purchase Bitcoin for the first time. If these numbers are to believe, cryptocurrencies could have a positive effect on PayPal's business as well as gravitate on easy ramps. PayPal plans to launch global crypto services in 2021. Dan Chapman has said that it's only a matter of time before his company starts supporting central bank and digital currencies as they become available. See, they're going to do a whole global crypto in 2021. With them going global and all this favorable news, guys, I mean, that's really good news for Monday. That's a good reason to stay bullish on Bitcoin and keep holding. And if you guys like my news channel, this is kind of just what I'm going to give you today. It's a little taste. But make sure to hit that subscribe button, follow me on Facebook, and let's be friends. I want to connect with all of you out there. I'm coming to you guys from Las Vegas. We're out here doing crypto, and I'm trying to update you guys on the news daily. So keep watching. Thank you.